Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on HOTWAV T5 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then open the settings by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the passwords. Inside, make sure that offer to save password is activated and then go back. Find whichever website you want to save credentials for. In this case, I'm gonna go with the Facebook. Enter your credentials into the pool. Click on login, and after a few seconds we should see the pop-up with offer to save it. Now when it's saved, we can go back to the password manager the same way as in the beginning of this video. Here on the bottom you should find all of the websites that you saved the password for. Click on whichever one you like and you'll be able to preview your username. There's also a password. You can check it out by unlocking your phone. You can also copy both of the password and username. And finally, last option is to delete the password from the list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.